I'm going to show you guys how to install the OneGuard Gutter Guard system on this front gutter right here with the right outside corner. So we're going to have to make our cut on this side of the gutter guard. So we'll go ahead and mark our outside cut. Go ahead. All right, now that we have our guard, let's go ahead and go up. All right, now that we're up here, we'll go ahead and insert the guard. Just like that. We'll put this end all the way up to the back side here and to where it meets nicely right here. We'll kind of just push it in. Have to slide it over some. There we go. Now we will put our screws. Screws. Boom. And then you always want to put a screw on the back side. And we'll lift it up a little bit. And make sure that in an area like this, we're not putting the screw here. In case it rains, it doesn't leak on that screw. Behind the shingle, no leaks. Now let's cut our next piece here. Now that we have our piece made, slide this over just a little bit. Right there. Slide these together. There. Roll this one over. And that there. How you do it? All right, now that we installed this other piece on there, we'll go ahead and put our screening. Bring it over. And there we go. We have done this whole side.